Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a complete demonstration of Snap Order, which is a consumer facing online order placing application. It works both in web browser as well as you can install it on your mobile too. The consumer first needs to agree to the terms and conditions. To log into the app, your consumer can simply enter his phone number with which he wants to log in. As soon as the consumer enters the mobile number to log in, he will receive an OTP validation where he can enter the OTP he received on his phone number and then tap on Validate OTP. Then he can tap on the human icon at the top right side and select Profile, after which on the next screen he can update his profile details except his phone number with which he has logged in will be pre-filled. After entering all the details, he can tap on Save Profile. Then he can go to My Store section from where he can add a new store by searching it via phone number or zip code. Soon as the consumer enters the zip code, he will be able to see all the stores that are present in that particular zip code, and then he can select any of the store from that section. Then he will be able to see the home screen of that store where he will be able to see the name of the store at the top, and then he can also see the banner page below which he can see the store offers which are currently running in that store. He can simply add products to the cart from that section also. Then he can also see the best sellers of the store from where he can add products to the cart. Then he can see the categories of the product catalog that is available in that store, tapping on which he can see subcategories under which products will be present and he can add them into his cart. He can even search for a product from the search section and add the product to the cart. To see his frequently purchased products, he can simply tap on human icon present beside cart and go to My Frequent Products from where he can add products to the cart. Then he can go to the cart where he will be able to see all the products he added into his cart, and he can modify the quantity of the products or even delete them and then proceed to checkout where he can select the delivery mode. If he chooses pickup, he can enter the pickup details so that an invoice can be sent on his mail or SMS. On the contrary, if he chooses delivery, he can select the delivery date and time and then tap on continue, and then he can choose his delivery address and he can update the same too. If he wants to add a new address, he can even do so by tapping on plus icon. Then he can select the payment type, that is cash on delivery or card on delivery, and then he will also be able to review his entire order details in order review section and then tap on place order to place his order. Apart from this, to boost his loyalty, he also has a provision to redeem the reward points in this application, wherein the retailer can set his own customized reward points from the merchant facing application and the consumer can then redeem the same, which will be transferred to his wallet. If the consumer wants to add a new store, he can go to My Store section by tapping on human icon at the top right corner of the screen. Apart from this, the consumer can even track his orders from My Order section by tapping on human icon where he can see his new orders, in process orders, delivered orders and cancelled orders as well. He can review the order by tapping on eye icon and can even distinguish between pickup and delivery orders from the icon situated at the top right corner of every order, along with the name of the store from which he has ordered. He can even tap on phone icon to place a call to the store. If he wants to update his information, he can go to profile section by tapping on human icon and edit and save his profile. Apart from this, if there is any balance in his wallet that he wants to track, he can do the same from the wallet section. To assist the consumer to make the best use of this application, we have also kept a help video section at the bottom, tapping on which he will be redirected to the YouTube link where he can see the whole walkthrough and the tutorial of the application. If he wants to reach our customer support, He can even do so by tapping on Contact Us section and even read terms and conditions at any point by tapping on the Terms section. For your information, cart, bestseller, store offer, reward points, and wallet are all store specific and vary from store to store. To log out of the app, he can simply log out by tapping on human icon and select logout. So this was all about the Snap Order application from where the consumer can easily place his orders at his own convenience. Thanks for watching this video.